Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're showing today is kind of a rarity. It's a 60-gallon lead jacketed kettle with a single motion scraper agitator. I say it's a rarity because these are mostly for sanitary usage. And this one really we would grade as a chemical grade service unit. Soaps, detergents, other products along that line. You'll see the agitator has been sandblasted, so it's got a rough surface to it, but it'll still accommodate all its scrapers and run normally. It's in excellent condition. Mechanically, it's got a 1 horsepower drive with an inline gear reducer, running at about the standard 25 RPM that you would get. And we're just going to let this drain out and lower it down again. Has an air-operated tilting system. And the drive is running through a Lenzi AC Tech AC frequency controller. The motor also is inverter duty rated. And our cameraman can get up here and get you a look inside. Like I mentioned, it is a single motion. The former owner has added a number of inlets to it, and as you'll see, mostly flange connections as opposed to sanitary, whether it be actually double seat or tri-clamp. And right now we're reaching its full maximum speed of about 25 RPM. It's on casters and it's a stainless frame. Everything's nicely done, very sound, but it's not what we would grade as a sanitary unit. Now, if your product is borderline on a food grade type product, it certainly can be used. Very nice vessel. You'll see it in our stock under kettles, agitated. If you go to our home page, from the menu, you'll see right there. We have lots of vessels in our stock like this, and we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com.